What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to add page numbers to a PDF file. For example, if I double click on this particular PDF file and open it, you can see that you don't have the page numbers, and I would like to add them. So we are going to use a free online tool to do that, and then the second method we are going to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's start with the first method. We are going to open a web browser, a Chrome. Then I'm going to type in I love PDF. I'll provide a link to this website. Then once you land on this web page, just scroll down to the tool page numbers. So you can either select a file from the desktop, or you can just simply drag and drop. So I'm going to use an easy way. I'm going to drag and drop that particular PDF, and on the right hand side you can see now there is an option to do some settings. So you can either choose the page mode to be single, or single page, or face pages, but for this case I'm going for single page. And then the position of the page numbers, you can select the one that you want, but you cannot select the center. So you can choose at the top of the pages. For this case, let me just select with the bottom, and then margin, you can select the margin either small, big, and then the page numbers. The first number you can decide to start from 2, 3, 12. For this case, I'm going to start from page 1. And which page do you want so which pages do you want to number? So you can actually have an option to select the pages that you want to number. For this case, I'm going to number all the pages, and then the text. So you can select the format of page number that you want. You can select this one here, but I'm going for recommended one. And then you can select the text format, and either bold. You can do all these settings if you want. So the last step is to simply click on add page numbers, and it is going to download this PDF with the page numbers. And sure, you can see now it's downloading. Now if I click on the show in folder, yeah, now we have it here. Let me just right click and cut so that you can paste it where the other one, the original one, is placed. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to paste here. So if I double click on it and open, and then now you can see we have a PDF now with the page numbers. So that was the first method, and it has actually numbered all the pages, all the 62 pages. That's the first method. The second method is to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. So I'm just going to open it, and then so that in Adobe Acrobat, the tool that you need to use to number the pages is called edit tool. So you can either find it on the right hand side, or you can just click on tools and then click on edit PDF. And now a new set of tools is going to open up at the top here. We're going to select header and footers, and then you click on add. Now you can see now this dialog box is for setting up the headers and footers. It's here that you can add the page numbers. So you can actually select, let me just change the text font, the font family to text New Roman, and you can increase the font to 10, and you can actually change the color. Let's try this and see. And we can, I'm going to leave this as default, but we can do some settings if you want. So now on this particular section is where you can select the position of your page numbers. For this case, I'm going to add the page numbers at the center, at the top center of the page, each pages. I'm going to select that, and then you click on, the moment you click on this, and then you select page number. If I want it on the left, you click on that, then you select page number. But for this case, I said I want it at the top center. Click add. So, and you can actually see the preview here. So if I click OK, you can see now we have all the pages numbered today. So we have all these pages numbered. So, and if you add some other pages, what you can do, if you have new pages that you've added, and you want to update this PDF, simply go to headers and footers and click update, and then just click OK, and everything will be updated accordingly. So those are the two methods that you can use to insert page numbers on a PDF file. And after you are done, you can just simply click on save file. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.